Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the fingerprint lock feature in the Signal app to add an extra layer of security to your messages. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main screen, you'll want to direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile icon there. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up your account settings where you can manage various features and preferences within Signal. From the menu that appears, tap on Privacy. This section contains all the security and privacy controls available in Signal, allowing you to customize how your conversations are protected and who can see your information. It's an essential area for maintaining your messaging security. Next, scroll down through the privacy options until you find Screen Lock and tap on it. This feature is specifically designed to add biometric security to your Signal app, ensuring that even if someone has access to your unlocked phone, they still can't open your Signal messages without your fingerprint. Now you'll see a toggle switch right beside Use Screen Lock. Go ahead and tap this toggle to turn the feature on. This action will activate the fingerprint authentication requirement for accessing your Signal app, adding that crucial extra layer of protection to your private conversations. After enabling the toggle, your phone should automatically ask for your fingerprint to set up the authentication. Go ahead and use your fingerprint to register it with the app. This step ensures that only you can access your Signal messages going forward, even if someone else gets hold of your device. Once your fingerprint is registered, you'll have the option to customize when the screen lock activates. You can set the screen lock timeout to various intervals, including 1 minute, after 5 minutes, after 30 minutes, or even a custom time that fits your specific needs. Select your preferred option based on how frequently you use the app and your personal security preferences. For instance, if you check Signal often throughout the day, you might prefer a longer timeout like 30 minutes, whereas if you prioritize maximum security, a 1-minute timeout ensures the app locks almost immediately after you close it. And that's it. You've successfully set up fingerprint lock on your Signal app, giving you enhanced security and peace of mind, knowing your private messages are protected by biometric authentication. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.